Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make my own version of adobo. In my country this is the usual dish, but mine is instead of vinegar I use lemon, and I put white wine on mine, and this is some of the ingredients. Okay, let's get started. First, I'm going to sprinkle some black peppers. And also some salt. And then I'm going to brown this. Alright, I'm going ahead to brown the chicken. Okay, let's brown the chicken. Brown now. Let's put this on the side. This is the worst in my life. And frying thing, I hate frying, I don't know. But this is part of my cooking, so can I do it? Oh! I removed some oil and then add a little butter on it. Then go ahead, drop the garlic and let it brown. I mean light brown. And then add the cloves and the bay leaves. So now let's add back all the chicken there. Now let's add the soy sauce, dark sauce, lemon, and the wine. And the peppercorn, powdered onions, onion powder, sugar, paprika, now the broth. Let's simmer it until the chicken is tender. In a medium heat. Maybe like less than an hour. Mine I boil it like 1 hour and a half, so maybe this one is only 1 hour. Because I want the chickens really tender. Let's do the 1 hour boiling. Simmer in a medium heat. Okay, let's cover it up and simmer it for until the chicken is tender. Cookie dokes. Okay, let's check our chicken. Oh, smells good. I like lemon because it's not strong. The vinegar is, oh my goodness, all over the house. It smells very strong. So lemon is not, it smells good. That's why I invented myself to use lemon instead of vinegar. Well, we're almost there. Okay, let's continue simmer until it's tender. Okay, looks like my adobo is ready to serve. Alright everyone, here is the finish of my my own version of adobo. Okay, you should try also mine. Try without try with lemon instead of vinegar. This is good, really good. But anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. Okay dokes, see you next time. See ya.